A newest acronym has been making headlines for a while now and has China on its guard. So, what is this acronym AUKUS and what does it have to do with China? Hello everyone, welcome to the digital platform of Tarun IAS. I am Nandini Bhatnagar and today we are talking about AUKUS. So let's begin with the simple question of what is AUKUS? AUKUS is the abbreviation being used for the joint nuclear forces of the government of three important countries. A stands for Australia, UK for the United Kingdom, and US for the United States. These three countries have announced a new trilateral security partnership for the Indo Pacific region that is being called AUKUS. As part of this, Australia will acquire nuclear powered submarines with help from the UK and US in this partnership. Australia will fund these submarines while the joint forces of US and UK will provide the technology and build these submarines. AUKUS will also now focus on a new architecture of meetings and engagements between the three countries, as well as cooperation across emerging technologies like artificial intelligence, quantum technologies, and undersea capabilities. This, however, isn't the first time that countries have come together for such collaborations. We have all heard of the Quad or the Quadrilateral Alliance. It has four countries together, namely India, Japan, Australia, and the United States. So let's talk about why was Quad formed. In 2004, there occurred a massive underwater earthquake in the Indian Ocean which caused a deadly tsunami in India, Maldives, Sri Lanka, Bangladesh, even regions of South Africa. So the Quad nations were formed with India, Japan, Australia, and US formally in 2006. Later, however, due to the China's protest for the group and other reasons in 2007, the group failed with Australia and US backing out of the group. In 2017, the group was revived when the Prime Minister and President of all three countries meet at the ASEAN Summit. The first virtual meet was held in March 2021. So then, why is another alliance like AUKUS being formed and how is it different from Quad? The AUKUS is a military alliance, whereas Quad is a diplomatic alliance. The Quad discusses diplomatic and global issues along with security dialogue, while AUKUS is being formed to avoid China gaining dominance over the Indo Pacific region. The AUKUS military pact to protect the Indo Pacific from China's dominance and shield the post 1945 global order. However, the Quad has a global agenda that suits interests of all the members. AUKUS covers AI, cyber welfare, underwater capabilities, etc., and Quad, on the other hand, envisions a shared vision for a free and open Indo Pacific. So now let's cover as to what relation does it have with China. China, as we know, has the world's largest navy and the largest shipbuilding industry. But the Type 003 is the latest step up. It is a vessel the same size as the latest US Ford class with matching electromagnet catapult for launching jets. Now, as we know that China has been trying to expand its territories with debt trap diplomacies and other hidden policies, it is now more important for countries like India to be on guard, and this is where the AUKUS comes into the play. The submarines in the plan will keep China's intentions in check. Earlier, too, during the formation of the Quad group of nations, China had insinuated that this was formed to attack China. However, India had issued an official statement saying that the group wasn't aimed at any other country, rather was to discuss global security. Now, with the formation of AUKUS, China again might be feeling its security going away. So let's discuss the reasons for the making of AUKUS. Firstly, the exponential growth and assertive use of the Chinese military. The increase in political and economic pressure imposed on Australia by China. And finally, the steadily growing American concerns about China along with the balance of power in the Indo Pacific region. The key features of these widely anticipated submarines are much discussed. They are as follows. These are nuclear fueled submarines with the ability to stay hidden longer underwater. They can shoot missiles at longer distances and also carry a greater load of them. They are faster and harder to detect underwater. And finally, it is charged by a nuclear reactor on board, so it does not have to be refueled for a very long time. Though the AUKUS treaty looks like a positive effect on the affairs of the world, it has also angered France. So let us discuss why is that so. Previously, Australia had a similar deal for submarines with France, and now with the AUKUS Pact, it has cost France a submarine contract worth billions of dollars. Australia cancelled a $37 billion deal with a French company building diesel powered submarines. The country found out about the new pact only a few hours before the public announcement. So France has considered it as a public stab in the back. However, the president of the US, Mr. Joe Biden, reaffirmed that the importance of French and European engagement in the Asia Pacific region. The heads of the two countries will be meeting at the end of the next month to try to renew their relationship. Now, finally, let's talk about India's position in the matter. There have been questions raised on why the US is not sharing the crowning glory of its nuclear powered submarine technology with India and even Japan, which was previously related in the Quad nations. Also, AUKUS has opened a window of strategic opportunity and chance for India to deepen its partnership with France. Our Prime Minister was on a 3-day US visit from 22nd to 25th September, where he was part of a bilateral talk with President Joe Biden to review the India US Comprehensive Global Strategic Partnership. Also, last month it was announced that US will be forming another Quad alliance with the countries of Pakistan, Uzbekistan, and Afghanistan, which might create worries for India. Moving forward, how India looks at this treaty will be interesting to see. So friends, we hope this video helped you in knowing about AUKUS. Before you forget, like our video, share it with your friends and subscribe to the channel for latest current affairs. Thank you.